Come watch this pregnant mama 7 waddle around this office while I package orders for my 6-figure jewelry business. And today I am tired, as you can tell, but look at all these orders. And that's just one stack. Okay, so as usual, as y'all watch me pack these orders, I'm just going to ramble a little bit and I guess, tell y'all what's been going on with me. All I can say is I've been busy. And it seems like the more busier I get, nothing really changes. Like I am packaging more orders, making more orders, and doing more orders and everything more orders, and I ain't got no more money. I'm just being for real. Like who else out there is a handmade jewelry artist and you just work, and it just seems like you just not getting where you want to be, right? And don't get me wrong, I am grateful for my jewelry business. I'm grateful to be able to use my hands to do what I love every single day and make a living from that. But I mean, come on, like, when am I gonna hit the millions? But I guess it really don't matter me saying all of this because I ain't gonna stop making jewelry because, I love what I do. But I'm pregnant and I'm tired, so I thought I'd just throw that in there. Today in the office is a pretty easy day. I had a late start because I knew I didn't have complicated orders to do. Usually when I print my batch of orders, the first day I go through and I kind of just do the things that I don't really have, much prepping to do. Things that are already made or very easy to put together. And that way I get a bulk of the orders out faster. And before I forget, because we supposed to say, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Please do it because it really does help out a lot. I also want to throw in there, if you're trying to grow your jewelry business and you want to know all my secrets and how I did it, I now do have a digital product line where I share all of my secrets. So yeah, go check that out. So I guess since I already kind of touched on packaging orders and how I do it, I guess I'll kind of go deeper on that subject. And that's what we'll talk about this, this video. So, when you're shipping your orders and you have a jewelry business, I just want to say you got to do what works for you. Okay. I mean, of course, you can watch videos and try to get advice from people and see how they do it. But at the end of the day, take tips and things from them and make it work for you. Make your own customized packaging process that works for you because I don't do what other sellers do. I do what I got to do for my situation, being a mom of 6, and yeah, I just want to put that out there. So basically, I will ship and I will print batches in about 50 to 100 orders every week. And it takes me about, 3 to 5 days to finish those orders. And it depends on the day that I ship them because I try not to worry too much about fulfilling these orders on the weekends. Okay. Because I have different ways that I do it. And on the weekends, even though I say I don't ship, I still do, but it just depends because I sell on multiple platforms. I have my own website. I'm on Etsy, Amazon, Fair Wholesale, TikTok. So yeah, I have to have my little process, right? On the weekends, I tend to sit down and do some Amazon. I do Amazon FBA. So I have to do that in like batches of stuff as well that I ship to the warehouses. I'll do a couple wholesale orders on the side. Those typically are done outside of all my other orders. And then, at night, every night, but at night when I'm chilling and I've already went to the post office and dropped off my orders, that's when I'll sit down and I'll do nippies. And that's whether they're from Etsy or the website. I kind of alternate them because those alone are their own category because I get so many orders for just those. They have to have like their own time. And I like to just sit down in front of my computer, watching some TV. And I have all my supplies for those items right there. And I just sit there and make them. And yeah, that's how I do that. And TikTok just fits in there, as I'm doing my Etsy batches. I'll just print TikTok once or twice a week and I'll do that alongside of Etsy. So, I hope that makes sense. But yeah, I'm all over the place. If it's one question that I always get is people ask, as a mom of 7, well, mom of 6, soon to be 7, how do you do it? How do you have this 6-figure jewelry business and take care of your kids? And first of all, my kids come first, right? So let's just put that out there. It's all about getting your priorities straight. And since I love doing what I do, it's not hard for me to do it. The hardest part of my job is fulfilling orders because it's kind of like a demanding thing. It's like, you have to make this. You have to ship this. You have to do this, right? Versus when I'm in my creative mode and I'm just sitting there and I'm making stuff and I'm doing what I love, just using my brain and my creativity and my hands in creating these creations. That's where I get my most excitement. But making orders, shipping orders, that's like my work. And we all got to work. So, I suck it up and I do it because I'm grateful to even be having orders. So I'm definitely not complaining. But yeah, I mean, my jewelry business is what I do most of the time. I don't really have a life outside of my children and my jewelry business. So, I mean, it's not hard. I ain't got like a group of friends. I ain't going to clubs. I ain't going out doing things. I'm just, I just sit at home, do my business, take care of my babies, be with my husband, and that's about it. So it's easy for me to do this because I ain't doing nothing else. But yeah, I mean, this was the behind the scenes of today, me packing orders and rambling a little bit. You guys said you wanted to see more behind the scenes, so I'm doing that for you guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave any questions or any video requests in the comments, and yeah, see you at the next video.